Well, today I wanted to do a quick video to address a growing problem in our country where there's some dangerous places where they've restricted your right to concealed carry, where you'll still need a weapon to protect yourself from kind of a vicious predator type. So I came up with this, and I thought I'd just share it freely. This is a non-metallic, perfectly concealable lethal weapon that you can slip right through most security systems. You could go right through a metal detector with this, it wouldn't set it off. Secret Service, you could get right through that with it too. You can conceal it to where it's almost impossible to tell that you have it. So that way, like let's say you just got elected to the United States Senate, and you're going to your ceremony to get sworn in, and out comes Joe Biden. They're getting ready to take your picture, and Joe comes out and he's grabbing your hair, and Joe Biden. And you can just say, freeze, get back, Joe Biden, stop it. So this is just an option for that. Just do a quick video showing you how to make it. So I hope this helps.
Joe Biden, quit trying to smell my hair!